hypothetically Powell resigns, or Trump lands up firing him, or they land up getting rid of him because of this fancy Fed upgrade to the building, this $2 billion upgrade to the building. I played out that scenario in my mind, and what the scenario for me was weaker dollar. Immediately, when the Fed becomes politicized, then all of a sudden the dollar starts to collapse. If the dollar starts to collapse, the only way to maintain the dollar, if they want to maintain the dollar, is to increase interest rates. And then we're in a position where we've got higher interest rates. How does it play out if Powell leaves early?
I think that's why it's always difficult to play the narratives into the price action, because a lot of it, when we started to talk about it, it's already discounted for in the price of the asset. So I agree with you. It would probably be somewhat of a downward pressure on dollar at that point. And it can also be that actually we've seen sometimes when you start to lower rates, you've seen that also most recently here from other countries, that then actually has a positive impact, because it's like the market say, oh, now, the Fed is taking care, or the central bank is taking care of the economy, or is actually starting. That will mean that the economy will strengthen down the road, which means that the exchange rate also and the dollar should then strengthen. I'm not sure it's just that straightforward. I think that the dollar has already taken a lot of beating here, and I don't expect it to go much lower. I'm not saying it's bottoming out here. I'm just saying I think there will be more of a push lower, which is not going to be so strong. That's more from the technical perspective. So let's see, first of all, if Powell resigns. I mean, it wouldn't be a good sign to anything that as you said, it will be politicizing the Fed. That's not a good thing. We don't want that. And I could see that could actually bring a lot of good things to crypto short term, because then people say, oh, now liquidity and abundance will come, but I'm not sure it will be good for the economy in the long run.